Previously on Coleman's on the Move. Are riding in Black Mamba. So now we're going to hit the road for this 5.5 hour ride. Right. We went and got the kids their own vehicle because Jamal doesn't want nobody in his truck.
No!
And the kids can get a big bucking brisket sandwich, chopped beef.
Go get him, bucko.
Just definitely reminds me of Cracker Barrel. That's what it is. Let me go get me some. Our first trip to Bucky's, and we have 4 bags. Why? Why do we have 4 bags? It's only the 2 of us.
Huh?
We don't have the kids, but Bucky's is lit. Okay? Freaking lit. It's like Walmart. It's a gas station. I've never seen so many gas stalls. Okay, that's the left, and that's the right. Or that was the right, and that was the left. However, it is, can you let me in? He don't want to let me in, good people. Now he gonna go here and sort all of our snacks. Oh, I'm sorry.
In my refrigerator.
He's putting our drinks in the refrige.
Yeah, sorry y'all, it's an ice box. Want the chocolate in there so it doesn't melt? I'll put the chocolate in there.
Well, thank you. Let me get myself in here. While he goes sort through our snacks, we got the turkey. And the beef brisket. Good people, we made it. Mama brung us in. Papa had to get in the passenger side. He tired. Ooh, let's look at this face. Ooh. Beat. That's it. I brung us in. So we're gonna go check in our hotel and see. We're at the Hampton Inn on the French markets, the French quarters. It is 2 a.m. and I'm tired. What does that say? Making you happy, make us happy. All right, let's go. Good people. So when I got on the 1-2s,
look at my roof.
I tore up this front grill and windshield. Look at my work. All those bugs splattered. I had to be going about 90 miles per hour. I was getting us there. You need to take this to a drive-through and get this car washed. What you gonna do about this? Huh?
I gotta do something.
Well, you do. Because this ain't it. You can't drive around like this. This is disgusting.
Sorry, what the fuck, dude? trip. This is crazy.
It looked like a burst. Had fun on it. So we had to make it to a car wash, but before we can go to the car wash, we gotta go to the debugger. So Jamal gotta scrape these bugs off his car because we could not find a detailer to take us in a short amount of time. He wanted to get it done today.
Why? 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 Why?
Right, y'all. It is, what is the degrees? What does that dash say? Oh man, that's a 94. It is 94 degrees, y'all.
Bruh.
And he gotta scrub these bugs off. I mean, good thing that the attendant stopped us so we didn't get the car wash and we'd be upset when it comes out and we still got these bugs on the windshield and the grill. So he has to debug first and then we can scrub. Look at him making friends. Making friends, see? Mm-hmm. Get it, baby, get it. After he debugged, then we can go to the car wash. See? They made a little community out here. See? Now he's smiling. Oh yeah. That's right, scrub it off. Mm-hmm. Like you say, you want these high-end cars, you got to maintenance them. This is part of maintenance. It don't always mean oil change and brakes and rotors. It also means all the bug splats you get from a road trip. And he wanted to drive. That's what I'm talking about, baby. That's right. Enjoy what you do. It makes the time go by as fast. When you angry because you got to do something that you're supposed to do, unnecessary frustration. Look at that arm muscle. Look at that elbow grease. Yeah, baby. Dip it. Dip it. Oh, look at that. Look at how you have to go to the car wash now. I mean, that was really the big thing, was to get it off the windshield. Hit the windshield wiper with some fluid. We good to go. Yeah, that little brush got all the bugs off. Oh yeah, I think that's all we needed. There's that one big bug right here that was really bothering me. What? You getting it? The side views. And now we on to the tunnel. Look at that. See us out there, had a little community.
Yeah.
It wasn't bad. I said, shoot, that's all we needed. We could just hit the windshield washer, the wipers, and we good to go.
Oh yeah, right.
Oh,
Dang.
it's hot up here?
Yes, I said, hey, you from?
Sorry.
Oh my God!
The hand sanitizer spraying
Johnson, do me
everywhere.
off. She drunk. No more drinks.
I am not drunk. That had nothing
This
to do
drink
with
is
the
strong,
nozzle.
and you drunk half of it.
Women.
Nothing to do with the nozzle. That was that was the nozzle on their hand sanitizer. It was stuck.
I gotta get in the shower already. I just got out. Yo, it is hot out there. Oh my God.
Oh, I just showed the
Oh my
It's 94
God.
degrees on the dash and you was in the sun.
Oh my
look,
God.
Look, it's drying up. You gotta
I
go.
know. I gotta get in the car wash.
It dried that fast.
Jeez Louise.
All right, we gotta go through that.
So I said,
I love going to the car wash. I do. It's such like a disco party.
huh? Disco my ass in that heat, Sheena.
All the lights, the foam.
Never never seen that before. Got a little ceramic coating on there, you see it. Let's bristle that in there, y'all see it. No hate. What else we got? Talking about $300. Man, I could have ran this through like this and took it to him.
I told him. He'll learn to listen. So didn't good people he said he was gonna listen to his wife this year?
Stop the cap right now.
That is a fast dryer, and it got off a lot.
It did. And it got a little second one, look. This is a couple little dry. I like this.
Oh yeah. Okay,
Remember,
Rich's car wash.
Yeah, Philly, they only get one dry.
You only get one dry. Look at this, look at that. Would you look at this? Oh.
Oh yeah, I mess with Rich's.
He gave me a hard way to go. I want a detail. Green light.
Now get out and wipe it down since I was in the heat with the bugs. What's your time?
You got a vacuum?
Nah, I don't really need the vacuum. It's too hot.
You said it's too hot to vacuum?
Yeah, it's too hot to vacuum.
Alright,
I
well.
don't think we need a vacuum.
On to the next journey.
I can pull in the shade just in case you need a wipe.
Alright, yeah. Ooh, that feels good. No loud music.
Thanks, Rich.
It says no loud
I
music.
don't want these ghetto people all over me.
Let's see what Rich's did. Oh. Okay, Rich's.
Not that bad, right?
Not at all. Got all the bugs off. Tell me that the car wash did not do what you needed to be done, and better.
And better and more.
Thank you. Good people. He was giving me such a hard way to go about trying to find a detail place.
$200.
He wanted $350 with wax. Oh, now he want vacuum. Well, now he want. I thought it was too hot.
I'm in the shade.
Oh, you in the shade. Now he want a vacuum. Still, you a piece of work. He always want to fight against the grain, but then always wind up doing it and be happy about it.
Jeez. All the little popcorn crumbs from the strip of yours.
I mean, well, you did have me driving 1, 2 o'clock in the morning while you was up here snug as a bug in this passenger seat.
I drove for 5 hours.
You ain't drove for no 5 hours.
I drove for 5 hours.
It was a 5.5 hour trip in total.
Yeah, but I stopped a couple times.
So was it 5 hours?
You
You exerted all your energy and Bucky's.
I had fun at Bucky's. Now, don't mess with Bucky's now. That's my new spot on the road. I ain't stopping nowhere.
Bucky's?
We're gonna have to Google Bucky's everywhere we go.
Oh my goodness.
Bucky's getting Googled everywhere we go.
That's right, get in there. Get in all the cracks and crevices. Let me pull this in for you.
I hate touching these things with no gloves. You know how much germs is on these things?
It's alright. You wash your hands. Use some hand sanitizer for right now, and then when we get to the restroom, we'll wash your hands. Looking good, looking good. Oh, yeah. Black Mamba is back. They did say no loud music. Well, go tell them to turn it down then.
No, I'm in New Orleans. This joke is crazy out here.
outside. Let's go.
I'm a fool, but I ain't no damn fool.
I know that's right. Oh, it's hot. Close the doors. Good people. We are headed to the convention center for the Essence Festival 2023 here in New Orleans. And of course, Papa's working.
Trying to work off just my phone today. It's a little new to me, so trying to get the hang of it.
You don't have to have all his devices. It's hot today.
You want to wait in the inside, baby?
No, because I think it's like pulling up.
All right, well, let me know, good people.
Oh no, you're not going in the inside. You think I'm going to sit out here in this heat? So it's 94, but it feels like 101. So same as Texas. We're looking for a red Hyundai Elantra. She's arriving soon. A red Hyundai Sonata. You know, if you're not outside when they come, they will charge you an additional fee. We would have drove, but for 2.2 miles, it's like 30 minutes. No, that's not gonna work. No.
Not gonna work?
No, 30 minutes. No, that's not gonna work. So we're gonna take a Lyft and save us the stress about trying to find parking and then also traffic. So we'll check y'all back out. And y'all, we are back with part 2. Thank you for joining us on the second part of our exciting road trip in this amazing Black Mamba, our Cadillac Escalade. After a relaxing stay at the elegant Hamptons Inn, we woke up refreshed and ready to continue our journey. The next day, we decided to give our Escalade some love and attention. Of course, we had to get all them nasty bugs off. We took it to the car wash, and you see, we had to do a debug, which is crazy because we don't have to do that part in Philly. But anyway, we had to do a debug and we went through a car wash, got the ceramic package for our baby. Yup. And part 3, get ready to immerse yourselves in the vibrant atmosphere of the Essence Festival in New Orleans at the Convention Center. This iconic event is celebrated every year with amazing music, our culture, and community. We can't wait to be a part of it. Join us as we delve into the captivating performances, savor the delicious food, and explore the heart and soul of NOLA. But don't forget, y'all know what y'all got to do. Comment, like, and subscribe, and share with the other good people. And we are moving.
If you love content like this, give us a like. Comment down below. Let us know your thoughts and subscribe to our channel for more content in the future.